Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Hagerty Gold Clean Dip Baths to clean and maintain gold jewelry, and in one video, two things, and the gold cloth. The gold cloth by Hagerty. Impregnated fabric to clean and maintain gold jewelry. And these both products will let your jewelry shine like brand new. I have some gold jewelry, as you can see on the back side, and I have these two things, the gold cleaner and the gold cloth, and a little bit warm water and a little bit of paper. This is enough to make your gold shines like new in only a couple of minutes. Let's start first with the gold cleaner. The dip bath to clean and maintain gold jewelry. Deep cleans and take care of yellow, rose, and white gold without damaging them. Oxidation, harmful perspirations, cosmetics, and perfume are cleaned carefully, and the luster and brightness of the jewelry are restored immediately. The bath has a delicate perfume and makes the jewelry shine like brand new. The gold cleaner gives back brightness to rings, bracelets, and other jewelry. The cleaning bath purifies brooches, necklace, earrings, and any other precious gold objects. It cleans and maintains in depth the jewelry. The care acts repeatedly, is efficient, and does not ruin the jewelry, of course. The dip bath includes a small basket to leave the jewelry inside for an easy use. Wetting agents penetrate the dirt and guarantee an efficient cleanup. The formula's extreme solubility allows a fast rinse with water, and the jewels are clean and shiny again. The bath has almost instant results and does not cause any micro scratches or makes on the gold jewelry. Let's start with the cleaning process. Place the jewelry in the dip basket. You can see one ring, have a necklace, have earrings, etc. And all this kind of gold jewelry will come in that basket. Oh, let's have a look now. This jewelry is dirty, a little bit of dirty, a little dirt, a little bit. Not so much, but you can see it's not shining. It is a little bit not so nice looking gold shining here. So it's time to have a bath with that. So dip them, place the jewelry in the basket, and then immerse the basket into the bath. This is easy. And it is so fast. You only have to open the cover of the bath, then get the jewelry into a basket, and then dip the basket into the liquid inside. Swirl, then leave on for 2 minutes in it, and then nearly job's done. So there they are, and they're looking shiny again, as you can see, and it was only step number 1, but we do not finish right now. Let's dip them into warm water. If you have really dirty jewelries, use a soft sponge soaked with the product on extremely dirty or covered parts. Okay, but this is not necessary here. It is enough, and you can see there is shining comes back immediately after 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. Let them into this liquid, and then they come out and that looks like brand new. Wow, this is awesome, really awesome. So rinse it with warm water, then dry it with a soft cloth or with a paper, as you can see here. Oh yeah, and then this is a good solution here. Maybe it's enough, but we are going a step more forward, and we are going to use gold cloth to finish the shining brand new effect immediately. Oh, here you can see. Awesome result. Really awesome. So next up is the gold cloth. Impregnated fabric to clean and maintain gold jewelry. Cleans and takes care of yellow gold, pink gold, and white gold. It allows to take care daily and quickly of precious gold jewelry without damaging it. The impregnated material gives back the brightness to the jewelry. Gold cloth makes rings, bracelets, and other jewelry shine thanks to its impregnated cotton. The cloth protects removed dirt from brooches, necklaces, earrings, and any other precious gold items, and it maintains the surface of the jewels. And here you can see it is easy to use and it makes a good result. The care acts rapidly, is efficient, and does not ruin the jewelry. The cleaning is easy, it gives instant results and does not cause any micro scratches or marks on gold. Thus, the jewels are cleaned and shiny again. Here on the left side, it's cleaned and shiny. On the right side, it's not so shiny. Gently but thoroughly buff the jewelry to obtain a perfect shine. Do not wash the cloth. Replace the cloth as soon as it is entirely black. The cloth meets the standard 100 by Ocotex. Yeah, and you can see the result. You can find gold jewelry with various tints. There are 9 tints in business. The difference of gold are mainly due to the content of the alloy. You must know that even yellow gold is not only made of gold. Silver and copper or zinc are often added. As for the white gold, it is covered with a rhodium layer, which gives a clear tint. Rose gold's color depends on the quantity of copper in the alloy. But all these facts will help you to make a better and more shiny feeling and performance of your gold jewelry. And these two things, the gold cloth for the finished thing, and of course the gold cleaning liquid, the dip bath, is a good team to get back your gold into fashion, styling, and famous status. And it will shine not only this jewelry, it will shine the whole woman or man, etc. Oh yeah, this is really awesome result. I like it really much. This is wow, shining for or in the best status here. It looks like new. I can sell them now as brand new. Haha. So this is an awesome result. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.